Lesson 105, number 26, 1 minus root 2 cosine 3 theta. Wants me to solve it in between 0 and 360. So you go ahead and try to isolate cosine 3 theta. So I think I subtracted 1 on both sides, and I divided both sides by negative root 2, and then I got cosine 3 theta. Cosine 3x is 1 over root 2, which can be written as root 2 over 2, which is 45 degrees. Okay, and then, so 45 degrees is not what x is, that's what 3x is. So you divide by 3 and you get your 15, but then I remember always, and when they taught us in the book, I remember them always going around, okay, go around one once, and then do it again, then go around, you know, keep going around the unit circle, and I always thought there's got to be a shortcut to that. And so, and there's a shortcut to that. You can just add, like for the 45 degrees, you can just add 360 divided by 3 is 120. So I'm just like adding 120 until I can't go anymore. Because I think if I add 120 here, don't I go over? Yeah, I go over if I add 120. Okay, so but that doesn't get you all the angles, and that's what I didn't really understand why, but now I do, because there's always a second triangle that whose angle measure is going to be, whose cosine is root 2 over 2, right? Because you can have positive, cosine can be positive root 2 over 2 in quadrant 1. It would be negative and negative over here, but it can also be in quadrant 3. So that's 360 minus 45. What's that? That is 315 degrees. So then you can just do it again though. So you can go 315 divided by 3 gives you 105, but then you can just keep adding your 120s to it and take this shortcut. So I don't know, I knew there was a shortcut, so that's a little shortcut for you, or you can just keep going around the unit circle, because you know you can go once around and you know you get 15, but then if you go twice around and divide it by 3, that's the way we were doing it in the past. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles. So those 6 angles are your answer. So you could write them like 15, 105, just to make it easier on the teacher's aides. 135, 225, 255, and kind of like that. You can write it like that. Is that all 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.